Your Mazda CX-3, CX-5, or CX-9 key fob needs a new battery? It's an easy fix. These models use a CR2032 battery, costing under $5. First, gently pry open the key fob case using a non-metallic tool like a small screwdriver or a specialized key fob opener. Look for the seam, often on the side or bottom, and carefully insert the tool to avoid cracking the plastic. Note the battery's orientation, positive side up. Remove the old battery and insert the new CR2032. Snap the case back together. Now test it. Lock, unlock, and the panic button should all work. Wear gloves to avoid any oils when replacing the battery. If it doesn't open easily, try gently heating the case with a hairdryer to soften the plastic. Test the battery voltage to make sure it is above 2.5 volts if it still doesn't work. This resolves most key fob issues. Replace the battery, but your Mazda key fob still isn't working? Reprogramming might be needed, especially for newer models with smart key features. Consult your owner's manual for specific reprogramming steps. Some models allow it via the ignition or infotainment system. If that fails, a dealer visit might be necessary, costing $50 to $100. Extreme temperatures can also drain batteries faster, so keep that in mind. If you're still having trouble, double-check the battery voltage and ensure there's no signal interference. If DIY methods don't work, it's best to seek professional help. Consider reliable CR2032 brands like Energizer or Duracell for best results.